Assalamualaikum students. How are you? Students, today we are going to do our copy work. Students, in your bag you have two copies of math. First is for practice work and the second is for HW. Today we are going to do HW. So open your copy and ready your sketch for our HW. Monday, 11th May 2020. Now students, we are going to do the easiest table of the math. Students, do you have any idea which one? Let me tell you, table of 2. Now here we have first line. We have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to skip 5 boxes. Then write here table. T A B L E. Table of. Skip one box, then write here of. 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 Then 2. Table of 2. Students, we are going to write table of 2. Let's write our first line. 2. Sign of multiplication. We have to start it from 1. Sign of is equal to. Then, student, 2 ones are. Let me tell you the secret one. Here we have to point 2 little bit dots. These dots help us to do this table. Student, count these dots at once. 1, 2. 2 ones are 2. Write here 2. Then go for the next one. 2. Multiplication sign. After 1 came 2. Write here 2. Sign of is equal to. Now student, here we have answer 2. We have to count these 2 dots in this 2. 2, 3 and 4. 2 2s are 4. Write here 4. Go for the next one. Write here 2 first. Then the sign of multiplication. After 2 came 3. Write here 3. Sign of is equal to. Now here we have the answer 4. We have to count towards 4 and add these 2 dots in 4. 4, 5, 6. 2 3s are 6. Write here 6. Next one. 2. Sign of multiplication. After 3 came 4. Write here 4. Sign of is equal to. Then here we have answer 6. We have to count towards 6 and add these 2 dots in 6. 6, 7th and 8. Write here 8. Go for the next one. Write here 2. Sign of multiplication. After 4 came 5. Write here 5. Sign of is equal to. Then here we have the answer 8. We have to count towards 8 and add 2 dots in 8. 8, 9, 10. Write here 10. 2 5s are 10. Next one. 2. Sign of multiplication. After 5 came 6. Write here 6. Sign of is equal to. Then here we have the answer 10. We have to count towards 10 and add these 2 points in 10. 10, 11, 12. Write here 12. Next one. 2. Sign of multiplication. After 6 came 7. Write here 7. Sign of is equal to. Then here we have 12. We have to count towards 12 and add these 2 dots in 12. 12, 13, 14. Right here 14. Next one, 2. Sign of multiplication. After 7 came here 8. Right here 8. Sign of is equal to. Here we have the answer 14. Students, we have to count towards 14 and add these 2 points in 14. 14, 15, 16. Right here 16. Next one, 2. Sign of multiplication. After 8 came 9. Right here 9. Sign of is equal to. Here we have 16. We have to count towards 16 and add these 2 points in 16. 16, 17, 18. Right here 18. Go for the next one. 2. Sign of multiplication. After 9 came here 10. Right here 10. Sign of is equal to. Here we have 18. We have to count towards 18 and add these 2 points in 18. 18, 19, 20. Right here 20. Students, our table of 2 is complete. Table of 2. Let's read it. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. And 2 tens are 20. Students, do it in very neat way and learn it in the form of dodging table. Students, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.